Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to show you how to use Word quickly and easily. We have created helpful video tutorials to help you learn. Today we're going to look at how to insert multiple images into Microsoft Word. Are you ready to get started? First, let's head up to the top here and select Insert. Then select the drop down for Table. Now let's select 2x2 Table. Now we want to select the first box of the table, press the Home button and centre this box. Then we want to come back to Insert and select the drop down for Picture and get the picture from wherever you're importing it to Word from. I'll select the desktop and I'll import this picture. As you can see, it's slightly big, so from the top right hand corner here we can use the size box and we can resize the image to whichever size you wish. I'll make it small, so I'll make it 2 centimeters. Now we repeat that process for each individual box, centering it and then selecting Insert the picture. So we'll do that quickly. So now we want to remove the black outline around the pictures, and you do this by selecting this little box here and right click it. Then come down and select Table Properties. Now we want to select Borders and Shading. And then on the left hand side here we want to select None. Then we want to press OK and OK again. As you can see, all the borders have now gone. If you want to make more of a gap between the images, you can press, let's say, the first image here, then press the Enter key. You can change the size of the text between the images to make the gap smaller. Now if you want to move the images around the page, what you can do, you can right click on the image when highlighted, then press Cut. Then you want to paste as picture. Now to paste as a picture, we can adjust the size, we can crop it, and then we can move the images around the page freely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video and checking out our other tutorials offered by Sheet Leveler. Also hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for all our up and coming videos. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you soon in the next tutorial.